Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but effective video. Well, today's video I'll be making pumpkin and kiwi juice for weight loss and skin treatment. But before we get into the video, I'd just like to take a little time just to big up all of the subscribers them. And I'd like to big up all of the watchers and big up all of the people them who will leave me a comment down below telling me what I want. Big up on yourself. And I would like to encourage more people. If you've tried any of the juice, if you want to know anything about the juice, any of the ingredients, just leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you. So big up on yourself again. So now let's just talk a little bit about some of the health benefits. It's mainly the pumpkin, because my last video we talked about the kiwi already. We talk about the lime and we talk about ginger in previous video. So it's mainly the pumpkin. So the pumpkin is good for your skin. That's one. The pumpkin, it reduces inflammation. The pumpkin improve digestion. And there's loads more. So I'm going to leave a more detailed information about the pumpkin in the description, so you could just have a look down there. And with the kiwi, we know kiwi already high vitamin C content. Again, I'll be leaving a bit more information in the description about all of these ingredients that I've got right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a knife, we're gonna start prepare the ingredients then to put it in the blender. So we're gonna get a knife with the pumpkin. We just have to cut the pumpkin in half. Pumpkin, it's very hard, the skin is very tough, so you have to be careful when you cut the pumpkin. Yeah. So then you have to prepare the pumpkin. So basically you have to just cut out all of the seed and all of the middle. And what you could do, you could even cut it in half just to make it a bit more manageable. And then what you do, yeah, but I say you have to be careful when you deal with the pumpkin, because yeah, pumpkin skin tough. So you just take your time and cut all the inside. And then you have to peel it now. So you just go easy. Yeah, just go easy until you get through it. No bother with no rushing thing. No rush. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna pause the video and just peel off the rest of pumpkin and cut them up, and then I'll get back to you. So yeah, something like this, just peel it nice. But I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna do the rest of pumpkin and then I'll get back to you. Yes people, so this is it. So I've already cut up the pumpkin, peel the pumpkin. So all I need to do now, you just cut it up some smaller size, so when you drop it in the blender, it's easier to blend it out. Yeah, so just cut it a bit small. Yeah, just like that. So again, I'll just pause the video, cut it up, and then I'll get back to you. And then make sure so you wash it as well, you know. So when we finish cut these, I'm gonna put them in my container and I'm gonna wash them off. Make sure so I wash off all of the dirt off of them, and then I'll get back to you. Yes, people, so see it here, done cut up with pumpkin and wash it so it's nice and clean. So just drop it in the blender now. Yeah, we can drop everything in there. Then we'll put the rest of things. I mean, the kiwi, you can just easily just peel the kiwi. Or you could use a spoon and just take it out. Now we have put about half of the lime in it because you know the kiwi have a sour taste to it already. So we'll just put half. Bust the kiwi and just drop the kiwi in it. The ginger. Wash off the ginger. Just bust a nice piece of the ginger. Just drop that in there as well. And as for the lime now, we're going to just put about half a lime because the kiwi, you don't know, so the kiwi have a kind of sour taste already. So just squeeze the lime in it. Yep, clear of them, yeah. And then what we are going to do now, we are going to just put a little tot of honey in it. You don't really want too much honey in it still. Yeah, just put a little honey in it just for kind of nice it up. And then with that now, we are going to add about a cup and a half of water. Just to make it go a bit freely. About that. Then we're going to put on the top. Eat a shake. Drop it on the blender. Yes, people, so this is it now. So we are going to just blend it up. And see what I go on. Yes, people, so this is it. Oh, already blend. So we are going to do now. Just strain now, strain them off. Nice and thick. Yeah, just mix them around now. You can leave it. Let it just drain through itself. There you go. Just take your time and mix it around and get the juice through. It smells nice, I'm not lying. I'm gonna set up because I may make it. It really smells nice. Yes, people, so this is it, you know. Nice and rich. Let me just have a taste to see how it tastes. Yeah, it tastes nice. It tastes punky. So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just drop it in my glass. You can just have a proper look. There you have it. So that's pumpkin and kiwi juice for weight loss and skin treatment. That's the final product. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like. Make sure you turn on a post notification so you'll be the first to receive a notification whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. And please share with your friends and your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.